What's up, YouTube? It's been a while. JD's Homegrown and More back again. This is the second installment on the whole floor joist rebuild. If you watched the first video, you can see that was all an open hole there. And now I have 3 new floor joists in. I'll walk you through this real quick. You can see this first one here set next to the old one on the other side of the basement. So this one I could run fully across the beam on top there. So it's ran fully across the beam and all the way back to the seal plate over there. Make a shot over there. That one was not too bad. That one went in pretty easy. The next two, not so much. I actually had to get a piece of 8-inch channel there and a piece of angle iron, and I stick welded that all in before I put any of the beams in, so I made sure they were nice and flush, level, so that I can get the extra was about 2 inches more than what I had, because I had about roughly 1.5 inches, and now I'm at like 3.5 inches. So I just needed more for it to sit on the beam, and the only way was to extend that beam out, and this piece of channel worked perfect for that. So as you can see, that one runs on this side of the beam, goes all the way down and all the way to the seal plate there. And the only reason that I had to run it this way is because I couldn't run it on the other side, because I have the shower drain there on that one, so that was impossible to do that. And on this side I got some plumbing, so I couldn't run it on the other side. I would have ran it on the other side, it would have been easier, but obviously you can see that that wasn't plausible. But got them in. Oh, on this side, all 3 of the boards on this side, I had to use a scissor jack, get in there, and I got in there with the impact and just scooted them over, because obviously the new boards were a little bit thicker, swelled up, and not dried out as as the existing boards when they built the house. So let's see if I can get her shut up in this one. So yeah, and then I just boxed out over here for the return. I still gotta put the sheet metal over there and button this all up. Got the floor back down in that closet up there where the elevator used to be. So that's about oh, and I still got, it's a mess, but I still gotta clean this all out, and then drill holes, rebar, concrete, and then this job is pretty much done when I get that all through. Oh, and just on another thing, what I'm doing is, you see this bottom piece of duct work right there. That used to go from this pipe here, and it used to go underneath the beam and then up in. And I was sick and tired of hitting my head on it, so we're going away with that. We're actually going to go up inside, in between these 2 floor joists, up over the beam, and then gonna connect down to the supply. And how I'm gonna do that is I got this piece bent up at work. You can see the other part. She doesn't want to come apart right now. Oh, there we go. As you can see, that'll cap right around like that, and that'll sleeve on into like this area here. I'll cut this, extend it out, because as you can see, it doesn't come all the way over, so that'll extend that out, move it over, and then I made this piece here. custom piece of duct work made it work. I'm a sheet metal worker. That's what I do. You know, just stitched it. Don't need to be welded solid because I caulked it on the inside. There'd be no leaks. Get done with that. But that piece will go somewhere around here and shoot it up 10 inches, 10-inch rise. Then it'll go over, back down through supply. The bottom part, I got a piece of sheet metal there that I'll button up the bottom, caulk it all. Never have to worry about it again. It'll be hidden. And that's about it. I'll shoot a video on that when that's all said and done. But for now, thanks for watching. Subscribe. Hit the like button. Alright, I'm out.